Daryl over there thinks Coot's kid. Guess what, Daryl? Guess what? Coot's not messing around. This is happening today. This is happening. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Alarm Red Media News Tonight. I'm your host, Cooter Weissman, and I'd like to draw you naked. But first, here's your weather.
Cooter Weissman, you're so handsome.
Children under the age of 63 months become completely impotent when taking Prestola for longer than 63 months.
Just great news about Prestola, are we right? Everyone loves Prestola still. Nothing bad is what I heard from.
Well, hello there. My name is Honest Uncle Dick Downs of Honest Uncle Dick Downs Domestic Auto Dealer, just off the Davis exit in Danbury.
That's all the fake news that we have for you tonight, ladies and gentlemen. But we here at Alarm Red Media News Tonight want you to know that we love you. We care about you. And that's why we are your most trusted source for fake news and garbage alternative life coaching. Just remember, Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself. I'm Cooter Weissman. Thanks for watching.